Welcome. This is to set up the Eclipse work environment for the project Wrights Automotive. First thing we got to do is create the workspace. So I just called one called Test Environment. You can name it whatever you want. I'm sure you're aware of that. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up. Alright, we just want to exit out of this. Okay, the first thing is to import your WAR files. So what I like to do is I just like to right click in the Project Explorer, choose Import, WAR, then choose the path where your WAR file exists. I've already got it set up here. I'm just going to choose Dojo Toolkit. This one takes the longest. It usually will take a little while to download, so, well, should I say import? So don't worry about it. It just will take a little while. Now what we want to do, this is a little shortcut I like to use, and it works great. First thing I want to do is set up a runtime environment, which will be your Tomcat server. Choose Apache Tomcat. This will be the one that we're going to use for this particular project since it's built around Tomcat version 6. Create your new local server. This will give you an application server so your program can run on it. Next thing you want to do is point to your Tomcat installation directory. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to go to my directory, which usually is stored under C program files or C Apache Tomcat, wherever you downloaded your Apache Tomcat. In my case, it's C program files right there. Okay, so that's it on that part. Now it knows where to point to. The next thing we got to do is install our JRE, which in our case is going to be JDK 150. So it'll probably choose a default one. You need to point to the location of the 150. So that's what I'm doing now. Notice it says JRE 6, but I want it to be JDK 150. So the next thing I'm going to do is find out where my location is for that. It's usually stored under C by default anyways, but under C, Java. Well, it's not there. Let's see, where did I put it? Okay, so it's C, Java, program files on mine. Where'd it go? Sorry, I just lost it. There it is. Okay, C, Java, 150. Choose that one. We can rename it. I like to call it JDK. That way if I ever see it come up by default, I can just grab it. Go ahead and choose finish on that. Now we have our runtime and we have our JDK set up. This will take a few minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause the video and let this go through.